Hello, and welcome back to Learn English with Minecraft Hardcore. My name is Kenzo, and this is English from the ground up. The first thing that I'm going to do in this video is begin smelting some iron. So, let's put the iron in the furnace and begin smelting this raw iron into iron ingots. Iron! Let's take this iron, and the first thing that I'm going to build with this iron is a shield. Big thank you to this commenter for reminding me about shields. So, let's build a shield. I can't build a shield. I need to go up to the surface and collect some more wood. So, let's go collect some wood using our stone axe. Up, up, up. Uh-oh. The sun's going down, and pretty soon there will be lots of monsters out here. So for now, let's go back underground. I can already see some creepers. I'll go collect more wood during the day. So for now, let's take this iron and let's build some armor. Let's build an iron chest plate, and let's build some iron boots. There we go. And we should be able to build some iron leggings as well with this iron. But for now, let's put on the chest plates and the boots. There we go. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 armor, which is great. To build leggings, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 iron. 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. And there we go, 7 iron. Let's use this iron to build some leggings. There we go. And let's put them on. And now we have a full set of iron armor, giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half armor. Awesome. And let's start smelting some of this copper. It's still night. I could eat some rotten flesh. Let's eat some rotten flesh. I have 5 rotten flesh. Let's eat this. It'll probably poison me. Yep. I'm poisoned. Since I'm poisoned, I'm going to stay still and wait. When you're poisoned, your hunger deteriorates really fast. We have a lot of copper. Let's see what you can build with copper ingots. Oh, you can build copper armor. You can build a copper door and copper bars. That's cool. You can build copper tools, like a copper axe, a copper shovel, a copper pickaxe. Even though it's nighttime, I'm going to go peek up at the surface. Let's go up. I'm going to take out my sword. Any monsters? I think we're okay for now, so I'm going to chop down this tree and collect some wood. Okay. Oh, there's a spider. Let's go back underground. All right, I have 7 jungle logs. Let's turn them into planks. And now, let's build a shield. But I used all of my iron on the armor. I'm sorry, commenter. It's my fault. We have to find 1 piece of iron. There's gotta be 1 piece of iron in here. Iron. That's copper. Torch. There's some coal. Any iron? Oh no. No iron. I need some coal to make some more torches. Okay, coal, sticks, torches. Let's make 32 torches. Oh, skeleton! No, 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 die! I need some iron. I need 1 piece of iron, come on. I'm going to dig down right here to hopefully find some iron. By the way, If you're enjoying these videos, and if you would like to practice speaking English with me, you could book a call with me by clicking up here. Oh, there's more copper. But I want iron. I need iron. Okay, I'm not finding any iron. I'm going back up. It's probably daytime by now. I'm running through the cave. Is it daytime? It's daytime! Alright, let's start chopping down some trees using our stone axe. Okay, there's one tree. Oh, there's a sheep. I'm going to kill this sheep. Die, sheep. Did it drop? Yes, it dropped raw mutton. I need to kill some animals for their meat because I need food. Die, pig. Die, die. I killed the pig. Let's kill another sheep. Die. And let's kill these 2 pigs. Sorry, pig. Die, die, die. Did we get some meat? Yes, now we have 7 pork chop and 2 mutton. Now we just need to cook them at a furnace. Let's chop down this tree. That's 2 trees we've chopped down. Alright, there's 3 trees. There's tree number 4. Let's chop down one more tree. Let's chop down this tree. That is 5 trees that we chopped down. And that gave us 36 logs. Alright, let's kill this cow. Die, die, die. Any more animals? Let's also explore around this jungle. Let's look for a place to build a house. I like this beach. I like being next to the ocean. Some bamboo. Let's get some of this bamboo. Bamboo. I think you can use bamboo in a furnace as fuel. Ah, my sword broke. Right now, I have 2 white wool. I'd really like to get 3 so I can build a bed. So let's look for a 3rd white sheep. A dog. Do I have any bones? I have 2 bones. Okay, I'm going to give my 2 bones to this dog. 1, 2. I'm going to eat some melons. We could build our house here, next to the river. There's some huge trees over here. I'm gonna go back to the beach to build my house. Let's go back to the beach. Yeah. I'm going to build a little house right here. In the corners, I'll place some logs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and for the walls, we'll place some jungle planks. Okay, and right here, I'll place the door. Let's build a door. There we go. Let's place the door. And now we have kind of a house, but it doesn't have a roof. So let's build a roof. Let's use some cobblestone to get up. And we'll place some cobblestone. Cobblestone. And there we go. Let's break this cobblestone. And now we have a roof. Any white sheep out here? Oh no, zombies. Shh, okay, let's go inside the house. I'm going to replace the floor with cobblestone. I can hear the zombies outside. I dug up the floor. Now let's place some cobblestone. Perfect. I'm going to place a torch. All right, let's make a furnace. Let's place our furnace. And let's begin cooking some of this meat. Let's cook some of the pork chop. And there we go. I'm going to build another furnace. Let's build another furnace with some cobblestone. There we go. Let's place it here on top of the other furnace. Let's take some of this coal. There we go. And in this furnace, let's start smelting some sand into glass. And finally, let's build a chest. Let's see. There we go. Let's place the chest right here in the corner. All right, in this chest, I'll put away all of these things that I don't need. Cocoa beans, seeds, bamboo. I'll put my first pickaxe in this chest. This is very important. I'll put these doors in the chest, some leather. Okay, our 7 glass is finished smelting. Let's take our glass. And our pork chop is also finished cooking. Now let's cook some beef. And finally, let's cook this mutton. There we go. All right, and now we have 2 cooked mutton. Let's take that. I'm gonna build another chest. There we go. Let's put this chest on top of this chest, just like we did with the furnaces. And now, let's take our axe, and let's break this block, and let's place a block of glass. There we go. Now we have a window. Let's also break this block on the ceiling and replace it with a block of glass. There we go. It's still night, but now that I have a full set of iron armor, let's go look outside. Let's open the door and look outside. Ooh, there's a zombie. Let's kill this zombie. Die. 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 I killed the zombie. Are there any white sheep out here? I need 1 more white wool to build a bed. Let's kill this spider. Die, spider. Die. 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 Some string. Oh, the sun's coming up. The sun's coming up. Pretty soon, it will be morning. It's morning. The zombies are burning in the sunlight. Here are 2 cows. Let's kill these cows. Die. Die, cow. Any sheep? A turtle. 2 turtles. I just can't find any white sheep around here. White sheep! Finally! I finally found a white sheep. Let's kill it. Die. There we go. And now I found my 3rd white wool, so I can build a bed. My hunger's low. Let's eat some steak. Let's eat 2 steak. Now my hunger's back to full. Let's place a torch here next to the door. Oh, let's kill this cow real quick. Die, cow. Okay, now let's build the bed. And using 3 wool and 3 planks, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we can build a bed. Now we have a white bed, and let's place it. Let's place it right here. There we go. We built a bed. This bed will allow me to sleep through the nighttime, which is very helpful. And I'm going to end this video right here. Like and subscribe, and if you would like to help support this channel, you can make a donation on my Ko-fi page by clicking up here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!
I'm sorry I was unaware, my friend. Hive mind said we're all alive.